Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna show you portable projector. So far I received so many projectors, but they are working with the electricity. Like you have to use the wire and outlet. But this one is not requiring any wires or outlets. Let's go ahead and look at it. These are the user manual. It shows one by one. What can you do? And this is quick start guides, and we have two boxes. We can take it out, but first of all let me take this out. In this box we have the stand, HDMI cable, and remote control. Here is the remote control. We need two AAA batteries. Now it's good. We're gonna use the HDMI cable. And we have another box. This is very exciting. I mean, I was thinking about the technology, but not this far. This is the charging adapter. And here is the projector. Look at this, how small it is. And you don't need to use plugs to use this. Let's see. Here is the lens. This is smart projector. When you wanna watch the movie and put it somewhere, there are some sensors over there. It is detecting and is just adjusting by itself. Headphones, turn on and off, USB, and this is adapter for charging input, HDMI input. Instead of using buttons, regular mechanical buttons, they're using touchpads. Let me go ahead and turn it on. This is very powerful. I'm gonna show you how it's gonna work with light. Look at how sharp it is. There is screencast. Look at that. That's why we are calling it smart projector. When you do it, right there, it's just adjusting by itself. There's screencast, HDMI setup, and music, text, photo, movie. There's the battery status. It's 100% right now. Let me go ahead and do the HDMI input. Let's use touchpad right there. I'm gonna choose HDMI. Now it's HDMI. This is 4K support. Let me choose this video. We're gonna look at it first. with the light. This is how you see with the light. I don't like this video. Let me try to use this. It is also very quiet. It's not that noisy. Look at the sound quality. Listen to it. I'm gonna make it full screen. How colorful is this? Look at the pixels on the wall. It is very colorful and the quality is awesome. We have screencast, setup, movie. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and look at the setup. Projection mode, Keystone, aspect ratio, picture mode, brightness. Oh. This is normal, that's highlight. Let's go back. And there is Wi-Fi because of screencast, restore factory. You can upgrade it with Wi-Fi or USB. And language you can change. This is the settings. Screencasts, iOS cable, if you want to use iOS cable, iOS cast, you can use it. Windows, oh, you can project Windows screen directly here, and Miracast, cast setting, AirPlay mode, software version. Alright, let's go ahead and test the screencast. First of all, we're gonna go to screencast and Wi-Fi settings. It is searching for the Wi-Fi. I'm gonna go ahead and connect. I'm gonna put the password first. I entered my password and it is connected now. Let me go ahead and go back. And then iOS cast. It says go to your iOS. I am there. It's supposed to be on the same network. Then I'm gonna go ahead and now on my iPad screen there, right there. I'm gonna choose this. Right now, it is over there. My screen is over there. I mean, I don't know what to say because the sound quality is awesome and the video quality, there is no interruption. Even though, look at this, how small it is, and I'm not using cables or anything. Look at that. It is changing because of how far the wall is. That's why we're calling it smart. I am now outside. I'm trying to do the airplay. Turn off the sound. It's too late right now. I am testing out the USB. I put some videos in there. Let me turn it on. Movie. No copyright. Ooh, look at the sound. This is also too loud. You can turn the volume down from here or up. Let me make 100%. No, it's too loud. The thing is, look at that Keystone. It's just doing it by itself. That's the amazing part. Let's go outside. I am in my backyard. Look at that. Even though with the lights, you can still see.